Welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 116D video, we're going to convert this decimal into a percent and go over a few things regarding the probability of this problem. It's taken a while, gone very, very slow. And then give you some internet suggestion searches for worksheets with answers so you can practice these new or review skills that you've known before. So, you can see here we have our decimal value from that last video. We did a long division to create this decimal. Now, in order to convert this decimal into a percentage, you simply move the decimal 2 times to the right. That's it. That's all you got to do. Move this decimal 2 places to the right. You get 6.59%. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you here. 2 times to the right. Move that decimal 2 times to the right. Then you're going to add the percentage symbol. And you get 6.59%, just like you see down here. Or 0.659%, which is equivalent, that 0 is just a placeholder, to 6.59%. So 6.59%. Remember, we started with a fraction, right, of 6 over 91. That turned into 0.0659. That's turned into 6.59%. So fraction, decimal, percent, they're all equal to each other. They're just different ways to write the value, right? 6.59%. Okay, so what does all of this mean? So about 6.59% of the time, you will select 2 red coins in a row. That's probability. Or remember the fraction 6 over 91? So about 6 out of 91 tries, you would be able to select 2 red coins in a row. Again, that's probability. Okay, I want to explain a little bit further to understand probabilities. And so you need to understand that the symbol, percent symbol, means per 100. So you can rewrite this percentage, 6.59%, or any percent. You eliminate the symbol, and then you just put 100 in the denominator's place, converting the percentage into a fraction, right? So 6.59, right? We can round that up to 6.6 out of 100. 6.59 out of 100. But what does that mean? Okay, so this is explaining the probability of selecting 2 red coins out of 14 in a row is 6.59 chances out of 100 tries. Or you can round that up. That 5 can round that 6 up to a 7 if you want to be technical about it. So you can say 6.5 or 6.5 or 6.6 or 7 chances out of 100 tries, you're going to pick up 2 red coins in a row. So the answer is B, 6 out of 91, or 6.59%. Stick around. I got some helpful word searches that will help you in finding worksheets with answers to help practice your new skills or to refine the skills if they are old. All right. Conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on the following. Yes, you want answers. You want to be able to look to see if you're doing it right or wrong. If you're doing it right, keep on keeping on doing it right. If you're doing it wrong, go back, look at your steps, and find where you made a mistake. Every time you do that, you're going to get better and better and better, and math will get easier and easier and easier. I promise you. Don't quit. Don't give up. You absolutely can do this. All right, so do an internet search with worksheets for worksheets with answers on adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. Using a products table to find a common denominator and add and subtract fractions. So I want to say these are some searches that will help you in understanding fraction videos from part 1 all the way through this last video, part 116. So search for worksheets with answers on converting a mixed number, fractions into an improper fraction, converting an improper fraction into a mixed number, Practice creating fractions, ratios, given a set of data in a word problem. Multiplying fractions to determine probability. All right, converting fractions into decimals, converting decimals to percents, converting percents to fractions using per 100 value. All right, practice how to reduce fractions, easy, medium to difficult. Practice rounding up values, easy, medium to difficult. Looking for worksheets with answers? Practice long division. Practice rounding up percentage values. And finally, look for worksheets with answers on practice adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, integers, positive and negative numbers, rules. Math's easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. I know this was a lot I threw at you for that last problem, and this would be in my mind a very difficult problem on a standardized assessment. But now you know how to answer it, and now you know how to practice the skills. Again, appreciate your time. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.